What if the H-1B lottery disappears and your salary decides whether you get a U.S. visa? The H-1B visa program, one of the most important pathways for Indian professionals to work in the United States, is once again under scrutiny in the U.S. Congress. During a recent Joint Economic Committee hearing, lawmakers and experts debated whether the current lottery-based selection system should be replaced with new reforms aimed at supporting economic growth and addressing labor shortages caused by an aging population, declining birth rates, and near-zero population growth. Committee Chairman David Schweikert questioned whether the existing employer-sponsored H-1B structure limits worker mobility and suppresses wages because employees are often tied to a single employer. Some lawmakers suggested replacing the lottery system with a wage-based selection process that could prioritize higher-paid and highly skilled workers. Experts at the hearing argued that high-skilled immigration plays a major role in boosting productivity, innovation, and long-term wage growth in the United States, although they acknowledged that increased migration can create short-term pressure on public services. The H-1B program has remained a controversial issue in Washington for years, with policymakers trying to balance the country's need for global talent against concerns about wage protection, worker rights, and the fairness of visa allocation. No changes have been approved yet, but the latest discussions indicate that further H-1B reforms could be considered in the near future, potentially affecting thousands of Indian professionals hoping to work in America.